everyone. Last week's video covered what is a ticker symbol. At the end of that video, I gave you a list of 3 ticker symbols to look up. Those ticker symbols was Netflix, Amazon, and McDonald's. So I'm going to give you the ticker symbol right now, but if you didn't have time to look up those ticker symbols, look them up, pause the video, and look it up now. So Netflix ticker symbol is NFLX. Amazon's ticker symbol AMZN. McDonald's ticker symbol is MCD. How did you do? Did you give them all correct? If not, continue trying because learning is a process. So this week's video is going to be all about wealth. Let's get started. What is wealth? On the internet, this is the definition I got. The abundance of valuable possession of money. That really doesn't mean anything to us. It say to be wealthy, we just need a lot of money. So we're going to define that. This is how I define wealth and how a lot of my mentors define wealth. So it's how much money you have saved from your stocks, 401k, all the money that you have saved. Let's put it in a big old pot. And we're going to say, from that pot of money, how many months can we sustain to live without having a job or another form of income? Just say if I want to go on a vacation and I want to stay on that vacation till my life end. How long could I stay on that vacation? So just say our whole expensive, our lifestyle, our lights, water, car, insurance, everything costs $1 a month to live. So we have $10 saved. So what is our wealth with those $10 saved? So our wealth is 10 months. So if we spend $1 a month, we have $10 in savings. So we have 10 months of wealth. Did that make sense? That is how you define wealth. How long you can go without a job with the savings that you have or the investments that you have, and you don't have to work anymore. That's our definition of wealth moving forward. Now we got a great definition of wealth. Now it's time for the challenge question. The challenge question for this week is, what is a stock? So down below, put your definition of a stock, and in the next video, we will go in detail on what is a stock. See you next video.